check out what Brahms is doing here in his famous lullaby. And as you do, I want you to listen for how you might harmonize this melody. Hey, what's up? I'm Avi. Welcome back to May Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my first course, the Just Right Music Melody Mastery Mini Course. More on that at the end of the video. Today, I want to show you 3 places that you for sure know that it's safe to harmonize a melody. The first place that we can throw a harmony into our melody with 100% confidence it's going to sound good is looking for the structural moments. So in this 8-bar phrase for Brahms's famous lullaby, we have 2 main sections. We can bisect this right here at bar 4 into these 2 4-bar phrases. So what you want to do when you identify those is just put the harmony right into the bar preceding the structural moment so that the harmony is happening with the structural moment. So right over here, we have this E flat going down to a D, going down to a C. We could very easily harmonize that just with thirds. Boom. Just doing that is already perfect. The other place would be right over here, this final structural moment. So how about this time we do a lower harmony? So if this is a B flat type of chord, we can make this an F. We can use the 7th here and then resolve to a beautiful little G. Like that. Absolutely beautiful. The next place in your melody that is ripe for harmonizing is any dramatic moment, or likewise, any moment that is void of drama. For example, we are just kind of hanging on this A flat in the melody. I'm not a huge fan of that. Maybe we can use some harmonies here to spice that up. It's like we have a F, A, C, right? The F is actually right over here already. That's right underneath it. Just like that. Notice how it gave that moment just a little bit of pop. The final place that's really great fodder for harmonization in your melody is for any time there's a repetition. So right over here in the beginning, we have the G's to B flat, and we can do that. Ba, ba, ba. And maybe this next time, a lower harmony. Just like that. Did you hear that? All we changed was the voicing just a little bit. We added a lower harmony, and the melody is kind of retained as the top voice, makes it feel like it's still floating on top a little bit. That harmony coming in that second time, it just made it feel sweeter. It made it feel familiar and novel at the same time. And if you can tread that tightrope, the tightrope between novelty and familiarity successfully, you're a great writer. So there you go. Those are 3 places that you can add a harmony with 100% confidence to your melody. If you want to learn more fantastic melodic tools just like this, you should check out my free video training, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody. If you want even more tools, I can tell you about something else. We talked about it a little bit at the beginning of the video. My new course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course. You can head to justwritemusic.com to learn about both of those. I'll see you there. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about harmony and how you can make a really powerful harmony for your melody, you should click on the video that's popping up on your screen now. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.